One of the most surprising trends that we're finding with the self-employed workforce is just how big it is. Recent academic study has found that from 2005 to 2015, it's grown by 66%. In other words, in 2005, there were about 14 million people that were operating as self-employed small business owners, and today there are more than 23 million. This is a major change for our tax-paying base, and we need to think about what that means for our tax administration system. Some of the traits that we found that folks working in the on-demand economy have in common is the fact that they do it primarily as a secondary source of income. In addition, most folks just don't earn that much money, and our study found that on average, more than 70% earn less than $5,000 a year. Some of the traits that the folks operating in the on-demand platform economy have in common is that in many instances, they don't even know that they're small business owners. One of the concerns we've identified is whether these workers will run into the IRS buzzsaw and if there's unnecessary penalty and audit exposure because these folks just don't know how to comply with their tax obligations from being a self-employed small business owner. First and foremost, Congress and the IRS and Treasury should think about what regulatory changes can be made before having to pass a new law to make changes to the information reporting tax administration system. For example, the IRS should consider whether or not they can make enhancements to the 1099 in order to help people get the right forms that they need to file their taxes. There's definitely more education and outreach that the IRS can do and that Treasury can do to help these taxpayers comply with their tax filing burdens.